Hey guys, and welcome to the Akinon's YouTube channel. Let's see a quick and easy trick to merge two dictionaries into a single dictionary in Python. So basically, I have two dictionaries, that is a dictionary 1 that's storing some values and another dictionary that's dictionary 2 storing another set of values, and I want to merge these two dictionaries. So all I'll do is I'll create a variable called as merge dictionary and I'll equate it to a dictionary, and now I'll use this weird syntax that is two asterisk signs, and I'll put the first variable, that is the d1, and after that another two asterisk symbols, and then the second dictionary variable, and all I need to do is now print the dictionary, and voila, I get the both dictionaries merged together without worrying of the fact of duplicate values staying in the dictionary. So I hope you like this trick of merging two dictionaries. Well, if you like this video, so don't forget to drop a like and share it with your friends and subscribe to the Akinon's YouTube channel.